Now continuing with the same question, let us prepare suspense account for the entries that we had done for this particular question. Now students, in this case the trial balance did not agree and it showed an excess credit of rupees 4000. Since the trial balance had excess on the credit column, so the suspense account would have been put on the debit side. So we will write here as to difference in trial balance on the debit side 4000. Now let us look back at the entries that we had done. The entry for first case was the sales book was overcast by rupees 1000. So the rectification entry was sales account debited to suspense account. That means suspense account was credited. So on the credit side, by sales account, the amount would be rupees 1000. Again, remember that we are following the same rules of ledger posting as we had done earlier. In this particular entry, that is sales to suspense, the suspense account was credited. So an entry has been put or the posting has been made on the credit side by sales 1000. Coming to the second entry that we had done was purchase book was undercast. In this case, the rectification entry was purchases to suspense. Again, the suspense account has been credited. Since the suspense account has been credited, the posting would be made on the credit side as by purchases. Amount was rupees 5000. Coming to the third entry. The third entry was salary of rupees 2000 paid was not recorded in cash account. The entry in this case was suspense account debited to cash. Now in this entry, suspense account has been debited. So the posting would be made on the debit side to cash account and the amount was rupees 2000. Now students, we have posted all the entries in the suspense account. Let us total it out and see what the balance is. In this case, the total of the debit side is 6000 and the credit side is also 6000. So it means that all the errors have been rectified. Since suspense account does not have any balance left, that means all the errors have been rectified. And now your accounts are free from errors apart from errors of omission. Now students, just remember, in case even after all the postings and all the rectification that has been given to you in the question, suspense account still shows a balance. That means all the errors have not been rectified. So in that case, you can just write a note that since suspense account still shows some balance, some errors still are there and need to be rectified. But in this case, there is no error, hence all the errors are rectified.